This mother dog is looking at her puppy who accidentally fell in a canal in Malaysia. The poor puppy was almost floating on the water and it was on the verge of drowning. One of the concerned citizens used a dustbin to scoop up the creature from the water. The puppy was moving and they could tell that it was still alive. Nobody knew how this puppy fell in that ditch, but it probably slipped while he was wandering. Now that the puppy is on the dustbin, the man will try to haul it up. He's waiting for the puppy's mom to come and take its baby. She was probably scared, so the man took the effort to send the puppy to her. Although drenched in water, the puppy was in good health condition, but it was shivering from the cold. Based on his little eyes that were almost closed and on his smooth fur, the puppy was few days old. Poor little fella was probably left alone when his mother went to search for food. The man gently patted the cute creature and showered him with love before deciding to take him home. The mother dog has been staying near the ditch all the time, and Sue started kissing her little one. She then carried the puppy on her mouth and went to join it with the rest of the litter. It's so heartwarming that the good man and his wife decided to adopt the mother duck together with her puppies and take care of them.